And the temperature's only gonna get colder. Shall we go camping? Yeah. So cold, all the plastic is frozen. Hopefully nothing breaks. You have to kind of insert the pole. The elastic's not very stretchy at this temperature. All right, got step one done. I better get this thing up and going. Whew. Oh, my lips are getting numb. It's hard to talk. The tarp's so frozen and crinkled, it's too small to fit in all the grommets. I'm having to yank on it for all I'm worth to get it to stretch and go where it's supposed to go.